Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C21Y and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. Now let's scroll down in order to find the countdown duration, and this is the name of the camera timer in this device. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got 3 different options. So right now obviously the countdown is off, but we can set 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds. As you can see, it is immediately visible here. And right now we can tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. So of course the photo has been taken, and it will work the same with the 3 seconds delay, but of course it will count down from 3. That's not the option I'd like to use. So as I said, it will work the same with 3 option. Of course you can turn it off just by tapping on off, and right now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your REALME C21Y. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.